is the Stama electric multi-truck powered by lithium-ion batteries, complete with a fully demountable pressure washer which is powered by a little Honda engine. The machine is very versatile when equipped with a rotating body. It rotates 90 degrees either way, and with the pressure washer on it becomes a very useful addition to being able to get into very tight and awkward spaces. The machine simply pulls out, has a lock on, then a simple allows it to go back straight in. Rotate it back to its travelling position. The body is easily demountable. Simply fit the two legs in the back of the body, raise the complete unit to a sufficient height, then fit the legs for the front of the unit in the slots, remove the pin, locking pin at the front, lower the body and simply drive away.